huge problem with communication is that it is invisible. It is an invisible process. We don't see it happening. We see the results, and some of those results are good when everybody's on the same page, but often rejects do happen when miscommunication or misunderstandings are there. So what does Lean have as a way of bringing invisible sources of problems to the surface? We model things with mapping. So I'm going to share with you just the most simple way of mapping. We have the speech bubbles. You have a supplier of a message, a customer of a message, and you're looking for the standard. When meaning A equals meaning B, you have met the standard. That's on the next slide. And when you don't, then you have a communication failure. You have red. Now, I come from an automotive industry where red is bad and green is good. In communication, I prefer not to use yellow. There is no in between. You either have the exact meaning or you don't. And if you doubt, then you should have a dialogue in between. So the next slide would show green. That's a communication success where both the customer and the supplier of the message are on the same page. Now, I deliberately use the word customer and supplier because it's humanizing the process. This is not machines. This is something where there is some kind of human responsibility and human inherence when miscommunication happens. We can't blame a machine. I mean, you could blame the machine, but you know that blaming is not going to fix the problem. You can blame all you want. It's not going to fix the problem. So this is at the very base, one way to model the communication process, talking about standards, and the green meaning that both people are on the same page. Chances are that the customer of the message, the person on the right, is going to actually execute right because she is on the same page as the person that requested or sent the message. Now, the next way of mapping this is something that it's on the next slide.